Good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the episode 6. In this lesson, we will talking about food ordering, which is here behind me. And this is some of the example that I should to discuss about today. And also the food that we will mention today is about Lao food that you are maybe easily to find in the roadside or in any restaurant in the Lao or in any restaurant in Lao. So here, for the first sentence, again, if you go back to the lesson 5 that we're talking about drink ordering, we will also start with the word ao. What does it mean ao? Right, it means take. And the same thing, when we hear we're talking about food ordering, we still use the same word, which is the word that we use to order is that ao, that means take. Khoi ao. So, but here we're talking about food, not a drink. So we see how we will compare how different. I think the mode is the same, nothing different. So okay, ao khao pad mu ne nung chan. Ao khao pad mu ne nung chan. So here, see, everything, the structure, everything is the same, but we just change. For the lesson 5, we're talking about drink, right? We put the margarita here, and we still keep that at the same thing, same. We cut it out and it change to food now. And here is the amount, the same thing. We put in front of the classifier, and this is a classifier. So chan mean, what is mean chan? Have you heard this word before? No. Chan is mean a page in English, or it means dish in English. One dish, two dish. So this food is contained to the dish, like one dish. They serve you per dish. They serve you per page, right? Is it my pronunciation correctly? No. Okay, I'm so sorry if my pronunciation is not correct. But okay, so ao khao pad mu. Khao, the word K-H-A-O. Khao mean rice, the rice that we eat, and pad mean like stir frying. Okay, so or khao pad mean like fried rice. Okay, fried rice. Mu mean pork. Mu mean pork or mean pig, but pork actually we say xin mu, but mu mean pig. Okay, but I mean this is fine. This is Lao people we use that. Khao pad mu, that mean fried rice with pork. Okay, ao khao pad mu ne piece. Nung chan, one dish. You only want that's for one dish for one person, because you are go there and eat alone, not with your friend or something. You order for yourself and then you say nung chan. That's right, really easy. And the same thing, the second one, we still keep this, is core, the other word for asking, like may, as I told you in the lesson 5, right? So core, pad kapao gai. Pad again is mean fry, right? Fry rice, fried chicken, fried pork, fried fish, whatever. So pad mean fry, but actually this mean like stir fry, right? So pad kapao in English we say brazo. Brazo. Gai, what is mean gai? Have you heard this word? Gai is mean chicken. Brazo rice chicken. Okay. So five. Actually, like I mean, the English is might be like five. Brazo fried rice with chicken. Okay. So pad kapao gai ne. Okay, one more time. Khor pad kapao gai ne nung chan. May I have 5 Brazil fried rice with chicken per one, for one dish? That's the meaning. The third one, ao phở ngua. Phở is mean a noodle soup. A noodle soup, but phở actually they have 2 types. One is if you have been living in Laos before, they have like a noodle soup and they have the one is we call khao piak, and the second one is phở. So khao piak is the size of noodle is a little big, and phở is a little small. I'm sorry, I don't know what is the difference in English that you use to explain, but and I say phở, it will be the size of noodle is small one, but khao piak is a big size of the noodle, so that is how different. But for cooking, everything is the same. So in this sentence, we will say áo phở ngõ nè song thuai. So thuai mean bowl, okay? Because this noodle they serve you per bowl, not per dish like this one, not per paste like these two ones. So they say bowl. That means in Lao we say thuai. So one more time, áo phở ngõ nè song thuai. That means may I have 2 bowls of noodle soup with pork. Okay. So the next one, áo pan yo khao. Pan yo, actually this word pan yo is mean fresh spring roll. Khao mean like khao. Okay, here. This I write it the same, but the pronunciation is not. This is khao. Khao. This is khao. Khao. Khao mean rice. Khao mean white color. Khao, see khao. This is khao. This is khao. It's different. This is a higher sound. It's a higher sound. Khao. This is khao. Different one, but I write in English, but it's the same. So pan yo khao is mean fresh spring roll. Nè nung. But here we are. Now, in this example, in this case, we did, for example, if we didn't know that how could the restaurant serve us for this food. For example, like for the fast spring roll, of course, they have like many pieces of the spring roll, but we don't know that they charge us per dish or they charge us per page or per bowl or something. I mean, like, but in this case, the shortcut or the way that we use to order, you just say the number without the classifier like this. It's okay. I mean, it's fine, because even Lao people, they also use the same thing like this. I mean, it is because we don't know that they charge us for like the pace that they call is per pace or per bowl or per dish or something, or per set, like a set 1, set 2 in English. Set. Right. Because we don't know that they charge us for the set or per pace or something. So in this case, we just only say. So in this case, we just only say like, áo pan yo khao nè nung. That means you want one of a fast spring roll, the one like one of the fast spring roll that they use to serve at normal. So because we don't know the classifier of this one. So here the next one, the same thing. Áo pa nung mắc não. This is mean steamed fish with lemon sauce, and nè nung. So this one, actually, what I see in the local area, they will give you a whole piece of fish, but in the restaurant or the 5-star hotel, they not give you like a whole, like a whole body of fish like that, but they just they give you like very small slice of the fish meat. So this is how different. So this is how different between a local and the hotel, like 5-star hotel. It depends on how they serve you, right? In the reality, so the way that we use is the same thing, and we just say the number because we don't know and how could they serve us or how could they charge us, and we just say ao pa nung bak nao nung. That's it. That means you want dash one per one set, right? Per one amount. So, and this is, yeah. So see what This is some of the food that you can find easily in the Vientiane or in other province in the Laos. So maybe you can try to order some of that. Or even you want to change the name of the food that you like to eat, you like to order like a lap, something like that, Mrs. Miss pork something with lemon, something like that. I mean like try, I mean speak the Lao and trying to use the different menu and different name. And let's say and let's see if they serve you per bowl or they serve you per dish or per piece or something like that, or per one piece or something. Okay, for this lesson we will stop it here and we will see you in the next episodes. Please take care of yourself. See you. Bye.